it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a new review for you. As you can see, I have some Madam Glam nail polishes in front of me. I was sent these by Catherine from Madam Glam. I do reviews from time to time from Madam Glam. So I was sent these products for free. I did not purchase them myself, but I will always give you an honest opinion of whether I like the product or not. So I just wanted to get that out there before I start the video. So I was sent 4 polishes. So I think I've done one review for them before, and I purchased my own polishes another time as well. So a little bit about Madam Glam. All of their polishes are cruelty-free, so they don't test on animals, as well as they are 5-free as well. So that's always great to know. Today I'm going to be doing, reviewing some Soak Off gel polishes. I haven't tried any of the regular polishes, but I've only tried gel polishes. But so far, I have been really enjoying all of their gel polishes. They always perform really well. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to tell you a little bit about each of the colors and swatch them on my nails for you. As well, I have been offered a 30% off code for the month after this video is posted. So what you have to do is you click on the link that's in the description box below, and then once you get to your checkout, you have to enter Allie's Nails 30 and you will get 30% off your purchase. So that was really nice of Catherine to share that with me. I want to thank you for sending me these polishes and also offering a discount code for you guys. I don't make any money off that. It's just for you guys to save a little bit money on these polishes. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get into the video. So the first polish I have here is, this is the Soak Off Gel Polish. So you do need an LED light or a UV light to use this polish, and this is a yellow. This one is called Halo. Its description is pure classic yellow, won't fade away. It's currently out of stock when I'm filming this video, but it said it's supposed to be back in March, but it is March. And this is a $19.95 in US dollars. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it up. Alright, so I'm just going to do it on swatch sticks. So this is the first coat of Halo. And I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Alright, so that is one coat of Halo. So I think I could use 2 coats just to be completely opaque. So I'm just going to do the second coat and we're going to see what it looks like. Alright, so that is 2 coats of Halo, and I think it looks really good with 2 coats. So very nice, bright yellow. So we're going to move on to the next color. So the next color I have here, this is Gossip, and it's kind of like a peachy, pinky color. It says, the description for this one is, Little Gossip is mandatory. Just like this gel, wear it for the perfect finish and a long-lasting power. And it is a cream gel polish. And this one is also $19.95. So this is also a gel polish. So you will need an LED or a UV light. So you need that for all of these polishes. So we're going to see what this one is like. And yeah. So it's kind of a corally pink, which it looks really pretty. The creams I find are a little bit on the thicker side, which is totally fine. You just have to make sure you get enough polish off the brush so you don't get too thick of a coat, because usually for gels you want to do a thin coat. So we're just going to do the first coat here. It is going on pretty thick because it is a cream. and I'm gonna just cure it. So that is the second coat of Gossip, and I think it looks, oh that's the first coat. So we're going to just do the second coat really quick. I think it looks pretty good with one coat, but I think second coat would just do it even better. Alright, so that is 2 coats of Gossip. So it looks really pretty. I really like this color, so we're going to move on to the next color. Alright, so the next polish I was sent is, this one is called Aqua Blue. It is a bright blue. The description says it's preppy yet still very trendy. This is the color this is the color you have been waiting for. A little blue that gives you gives your look another dimension. So this one also is currently out of stock, but I think it's supposed to be back in stock in this month as well. So this one is Aqua Blue and it's a cream, and this one also is a 1995 American. So let's check out this blue. So we're just going to do the first coat. Again, this one is a cream, so you have to make sure that you wipe off a good amount of polish on into the bottle, because then it will go on too thick. This is a really pretty blue. Alright, so we're going to just cure that and we'll see what it looks like. So that is 1 coat of Aqua Blue. Looks pretty good, but I think I might just do 2 coats just to be sure. But it looks really nice. I like how these go on so effortlessly. So let's see what 2 coats look like. And that is 2 coats of Aqua Blue. Gorgeous blue. I really like this blue a lot. So very, very pretty. So now we're going to move on to the next color. So the last color I have here is a shimmer one. So this one is called Flawless. This is a shimmery light pink. It's a light shiny pink that will make your nails look flawless and so girly. So this one is also 1995. So it's a nice shimmery light pink. And I think this one is kind of a cream as well, but it has the shimmer aspect to it. So we're going to see what it looks like on the nail. And I don't know if I said, but this one is 1995. I think all of their gel polishes are 1995 American. So there's 1 coat. Alright, so that is 1 coat of Flawless. So it's a little bit on the lighter side, but it still is pretty opaque for a lighter color. So we're just going to see what it looks like with 2 coats. This one I don't think is as thick as the others, but it's still pretty nice. Alright, so we're going to cure that. Alright, so that is 2 coats of Flawless, and I think that's good. It looks really pretty. A nice shimmery light pink, kind of more on the neutral side, but really nice. So that is all of the polishes that I was sent. So I have Flawless is a light pink, I have Halo, which is the yellow, then I have Aqua Blue, and then I also have Gossip. So you can find all of these on Madam Glam's website, and like I said, they are $19.95 each, but I was also offered a 30% off code. So all you have to do is click the link down below in the description box, and then when you get to your checkout, you just have to type in Allie's Nails 30 and you will get 30% off. So that's pretty awesome. But yeah, so that is all I have for today. I hope you liked today's videos. I definitely recommend Madam Glam's polishes. So far, all of the ones that I have had are really great and they last a long time. And these went on like beautifully. They were so smooth and flawless, and it just didn't take much to actually apply them to the nail. So that's great. But yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Thanks again, Madam Glam, for sending me these polishes to review. But yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.